All right, guys, let me bring to you today's hack. Every day now, Hamster Kombat is giving 5 million unit of um, the daily combo card. So today's one, they have dropped it today. So I want to show you the cards for today. Yesterday I showed you the card for yesterday. Is on the video is here. If you have not done yesterday's zone, you will not be able to get today's zone. So for today, let me show you the card for today's daily combo. So first of all, you go to mine. When you go to mine, have you seen all the card here? Now look for P2P. This P2P. Look for P2P. Get P2P. You see, cool. I have done the first card today. This is the first card for today. So I'm going to show you the second and the third card. All right, so I have done for the first one. If you check here, I'm there. So P2P is the first one. So I'm going to show you the second and the third one. We are looking for this one and then this one, so that we'll be able to unlock this 5 million, so that you now have profit of 5 million here, so that you can use it to buy cards to increase your profit. So let's go for the second one. Let's go for the second card. So the second card, go to PR. Go to PR. Then come and look for Hamster Tube. Hamster Tube. See this card? This is the second card. So click on the second card. You see, it's now remaining one for the daily combo. I've gotten the second one. You see, 2 gotten. So it's remaining the last one, which is the third one. So I'm going to show you the third card. Let's look for the third card. I'm going to show you the third card is this card, KYB. Have you seen KYB? Look for KYB. Open KYB and then go ahead and then buy it. Hooray! Have you seen? I get the 5 million. So that is for today, 25th May. That is for 25th May. So I bring you daily updates. So subscribe to my channel. Tomorrow, I'm going to bring you another new one for the card. Get the price of 5 million. So tomorrow, I'm going to bring you, if you don't subscribe or comment, if you don't understand, comment on this session, like the video where I've gotten the 5 million. Have you seen? So please comment, share, and then subscribe to my channel. I'm going to bring you the combo card for tomorrow. It's going to be every day until the closing. So I'm going to be the first person to bring you. If you follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, you'll be the first person to see it, and then you claim your card. Thank you until I come next tomorrow for this special combo card. All right, thank you and welcome.